Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Gurgaon? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Gurgaon. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. Before moving to our top 4 institutes, I would like to mention about one institute, which is the Hindu Zone. When you will connect to the Hindu Zone by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone provides a counseling session, and that too completely free of cost, which is definitely a great advantage for the students. So when student will call the institute or connect to them, the institute expert mentors will talk to the students and will try to solve their doubts, and also will guide them that according to their course which institution is best for them. Now let us talk about our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Gurgaon. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the finest coaching center for NEET preparation. It is completely online coaching and is spread across all over India. So you should definitely try Toppers Academy once. If you wish to connect to the institute, you can do it by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have Akash Institute. Akash Institute is considered as one of the top 10 medical coaching centers in Gurgaon. The faculty members of Akash Institute are from IITs, NITs, premier universities and from other top colleges. In this institute, doubt clearing system is provided where the students can clear their doubts, and the students feel this system is very useful for them. Further, tests and assignments are given to the students for training them to secure the best marks in their NEET examinations. Now, let us talk about the courses offered by the institute. So the very first is 4-year integrated classroom course for class 9th to 12th, and similarly 3-year integrated classroom course for class 10th to 12th. Then we have 2-year integrated classroom courses, and that too before the declaration of board results. And then we have 12th come medical courses and regular courses for NEET preparation. The address of the institute includes number 122, 3rd floor institutional area, sector 44, Gurgaon 122002. Their contact number is 9958064196, and the website of the institute includes www.akashinstitute.com. Their email ID is medical@aesl.in. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Takshila Institute. The institute has secured the best results in the past years. Takshila Institute has the best faculty team which they put their efforts into the students to secure good results. Moreover, this institute is not run by businessmen but by the academicians. Motivational sessions are held in this institute in order to provide care for the students. Libraries are equipped with various kinds of books, and the students can refer that for doubts, and they can also go to staff members in order to clear their doubts even after the class is over. The institute is one of the top 10 medical coaching center in Gurgaon. Furthermore, the doubts of every student are clarified by the staff members individually, and online test series are conducted in order to give the students more practice. Now, let us talk about the courses offered by the institute. So the very first is 1-year integrated program. Similarly, 2-year integrated program. Then we have 2 years residential integrated program, droppers program, capsule program, and at last we have crash courses offered by the institute. The address of the institute includes M47 Sundar Singh Marg, Block B, Old DLF Colony, Sector 14, Gurugram, Haryana 122001. The phone number of the institute is 098-218-53303, and their website includes www.takshilainstitute.in. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Career Launcher Institute. The faculties of Career Launcher are from top institutes. Classroom courses and online courses are offered in the Career Launcher Institute. Further, every class is held in a way in which the students can understand very well and that too easily. Now let us talk about the courses offered by Career Launcher Institute. So the very first is classroom coaching courses that includes medical crash course, 2-year medical program and NEET 1-year program. And if we talk about online coaching courses, they have 2-year NEET live classes, NEET Smart Learning, NEET Smart Learning Advanced, and they also have NEET Smart Learning Premium. The address of the institute includes Old Colony, DLF City, Gurgaon 122001. Their phone number is 01244014006. The website of the institute includes www.careerlauncher.com. So, these were our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Gurgaon. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding all these institutions and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.